Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through an exciting and powerful feature available inside your system, SMS Messaging. With Elite Technique, SMS service is fully integrated into your platform. This means you have the ability to send text messages directly within the system, making it easier than ever to stay in touch with your leads, customers, and team. Let's see how it works. Here you see the chat or send SMS icon. You can send a text message with just a few clicks. As you can see, the send SMS icon is located on the upper right part of the screen next to schedule activity. Whether you're viewing an open lead, a contact, a proposal, and even a contract. Click on Send SMS. Start typing your message, or use a pre-created template, and then hit Send. The message will be sent to the phone number that you have next to phone and that has this little phone icon with the SMS next to it. Thank you very much.